In this video, I'm going to teach you how to write video titles and video descriptions using software that will automatically generate them for you. My name's Scott Polderman, and let's jump into it. Okay, we're here inside the software, so I'm going to walk you through this. Once again, this is called Jarvis, and I'm going to slide down here. The great thing about this software is it will help write blog posts, Facebook ads, Google ad headlines, but what we're here for now is the YouTube section. And from here, we're just going to focus on video titles and then the video description on YouTube. But if I click here on video titles, and right here I have how to make money on TikTok typed in, and I am going to try here how to make money on YouTube. That's what this is going to be about. Command copy, and for example, and then down here I'll just generate AI content. And it takes a few seconds for the software to produce some results, but here we go. Here are some results that I can start with of, okay, I made this much from YouTube, tell me how. And as you can see, it generates all of these titles automatically. And the best part is if I go through each and every one of these and say, you know what, I don't like any of those titles, I can generate more titles, and I can keep going until I find a title that I feel works for the video that I'm creating. And so you can just continually generate more and more. So here's more ideas. Okay, how to make money on YouTube 2019 guide. Obviously, you can just change it to the year that you're in. And let me see. Oh boy, you can pick one here. All right, I'm just going to pick this one. And then what I can do is just copy and paste the title that I want. So I'm going to copy and paste that. And from here, I am going to go back out. And what we're going to do is go back to our templates here. And I'm going to go now to my YouTube video description. And here's going to be my video title. I'm going to change this to 2021 here. And the keyword is here, how to make money on YouTube. And now from here, I'm going to generate AI content. Perfect. Now, right here, I can look through the results once again, or I can generate more. It's up to me if I find one that I like. And let me see, we're going to go with this one here just as an example. So then what I can do is I can copy and paste this and use that as my description. And this is really cool. Let's say I want a much longer description. Then I'm going to go here to long form assistant, and I'm going to go blog post style. And from here, I'm just going to write a blog post, even though it's a YouTube description, on how to make money on YouTube. And we're going to use the keywords here and here. I can continue. And I had my title from before. I can just plug that in. But I'm going to generate some more ideas just to see what they come up with. And I'm going to use this one, how to make money on YouTube, the ultimate guide. And I already have an intro paragraph that I liked. But I'll tell you what, we're going to generate more ideas just to give you an idea of how versatile this software is for creating these YouTube descriptions, as well as much, much more. So I'm going to use this one, and then I'm going to open the editor, and let's say, you know what, I don't think that's long enough. So then I could start out with, from here, the ultimate guide, how to set up a YouTube channel. Let's say I wanted to go through that. And from here, I'm going to make that into a headline. And this is how to set up a YouTube channel. And then I'm going to compose, and I'm going to let the software go ahead and continue, and it'll generate ideas. If I like it, I'll keep it. If not, I'll edit it. But as you can tell, it really cuts down on your time creating successful video titles and YouTube descriptions. If you like this video, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button. Down below is a link to the software so you can check it out and see if it's something that will work for you. I'd love it if you hit that thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment below and I'll answer it as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and make it a great day.